What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and yet again we are checking in from Busch Gardens Tampa Bay for another Phoenix Rising construction update, and hopefully we'll catch some testing during the daytime. There's a lot to see and do. Let's go. So it's 3 p.m. and nobody is at the ticket windows or security. Parking was a breeze. We'll be right in. All right, so we are in the park, and yeah, it's hot. Somewhere in the 90s. Gwazi is over that direction, Skyride over this way, but we're not heading to Skyride right away. We got to get over to Pantopia Theater so we can get views of Phoenix Rising before the Animal Tales show closes. We're doing that now. Cheetah hunt looking good. Murder floops are over that way. We got tuxedo birds over here. And for those of you wondering, yes, the cobwebs are still here. Ah, it's terrifying. And there's the tuxedo birds. Hi guys.
Look at me, Leo.
Animal Connections, and that's where the pink chickens are. Unfortunately, I don't have time for them right now. Show is at 3:30, and well, it's 3:29. Land manatees are out, and the water fountains are on. It's a hot day. I'm sure they enjoy it. Pantopia, we're almost there. My calves are killing me. Falcon's Fury. We'll get on that later for aerial views. And I can see Phoenix Rising train on the lift. It's parked right now. There is what will be the entrance. And entrance for the theater is over here. Right off the bat, I can already see station has gotten some paint. Lots of wooden posts all over the place for netting. It's looking really good, guys. And over here, the train on the lift.
Vou no ponto de eu conversei com o Márcio aqui, o Márcio falou com ele que aí o Jacão sumiu.
Well, that's good news. We now have air gates in place.
Passagem de saída de quem? O gordinho.
And from what I can see, the foundations for the entry sign are about done. I see a guy up on the lift right now doing some electrical for the lights. And we have forms over here for concrete that'll be underneath the lift area. Mounting brackets for the screen in the station are installed now. Yeah, buddy, that's what we like to see. Wear marks on the track. Once again, we're waiting for testing, and I believe it's going to happen sometime after 5 o'clock. Again, contractors are in the site doing work right now, and they have done some runs while the park has been open. So before 8 p.m. and whatnot, we've seen video of that, we posted it, but we ourselves are hoping to see it today. All right, so we got our views from the theater. Now let's get our views from above on Falcon's Fury.
Le tocó solo, hermano. Pues tres aquí. No, tres aquí.
I like it during the night. When you do it during the night, it's actually a lot more fun. Are we able to stay on?
Llamando para mí. A ver.
Nos vamos pero juntas. Nos vamos de juntas, hablando, nos vamos juntos porque parecemos.
And here comes the storms. We have a tropical system going on right now, and yeah, weather is not great. So hopefully it goes away and we get some runs. We'll see. And just in the last couple minutes, they put up a piece of steel for the entry sign. Well, it's about 5:45, still raining, a little bit of lightning in the area. Train is still up on the lift, and don't know if we're gonna see any runs today. And good news, it's running. Well, that was pretty cool. That was my first time seeing Phoenix Rising actually run while the park has been open. So ran right around 6:15 or so, and it is incredibly quiet. A lot quieter than I was expecting. All right, so they did the first test run of the day, and now there's a guy that was checking out the lift motor. and the lift. So hopefully once he's down, we'll do some more runs. All right, well, it's 8 o'clock. The park is now closed. They're gonna be clearing everybody out. Did not see any more test runs, and I need to make a mad dash to the car because that is coming. And yeah, I gotta go. I know there's a massive storm coming in, but I've gotta see my pink chickens. I can't come here and not see them. Hi guys. Stay safe, please. It's gonna get a little stormy. It's the pokey one. Well guys, that's going to do it for another video here from Busch Gardens Tampa Bay for Phoenix Rising, and exciting stuff as we did get a chance to see one test run while we're inside the park, and it was very, very quiet. They're doing a lot of work on the station right now. Of course, paint is all over the place. We also have some of the queuing inside the station, the railing and whatnot, and we're expecting a lot more of these test runs to be happening at night until probably about a week, maybe 2 weeks or so. But of course, we're gonna have plenty more updates from here, so if you like what we do, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and the website formerly known as Twitter at Midway Mayhem, and I will see you out on the Midway.